8 and hit triple step. Set the anchor for triple step. Leads, you can be backwards that you normally are. Instead of there, you can have your right forward to make sure she maintains her comfortable diagonal, even though we're close. We talked about the option if you want to do the step cross, you can scoot your one slightly back, cross in front step, and then hit the anchor. I always throw in that variation. I just think it looks nice. We're going to from here we did a basic throw up for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. You don't have much distance to travel, so follows, making sure your flashlight is hard. Leaders, you can help her out with that. You can help her out with that by hooking behind you and giving her a little more travel room. Done. We talked about stretching on both of these. So a triple step, an anchor step, and a 1. So and a 1, and a 1. Body moves, arm leaves her there so she can feel that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step. From there, we did a whip with a single outside turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. The hand starts coming up. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We end up in this reverse handle, so an underarm turn fixes it. Couple things here. It's a single turn. She does not need much. Kill the energy. So you indicated 4. You start bringing it up 4. Indicate the turn for. We're delaying our 4. 5. High 5 on 5. Down the line 6. This is the radius of the turn. 7 and 8. Follows are really stressed today. You thinking about all your steps. Your 4, you're delaying. 5. I have turnout. 6. Turnout. Delay that step. Turn facing. 7 and 8. Please never pull that arm down. We come with her on 6. Come with her on 6. And then get the distance. 5, 6, 7, and 8. We also talked about protecting that shoulder. Don't let it go. From there, we did variation, same exact feet for the follows. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. A couple things here. We do that turnstile lead, really following through, getting her to rotate. Leaders, normally we go over. Here we're going to go under because of what's happening next. 2, keep her rotating. 3, and 4. Leaders got to the other side of the slot, step back 4, and let her forward for 4. Down the line 5, 6, 7, and 8. Width of the slot, her shoulders, so you really have to get over there for 3 and 4. And we're going to do that from this direction. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we'll do it from this direction. My bad. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I think that was it.
Awesome.